The specials module that's in Lots is a really powerful way of being able to manage a large number of products or ranges that are on special, and probably more importantly gives you the ability to be able to report on them to see how successful that special was. So from the main menu, click into Specials, enter your code, and at this point you get to choose whether you want to consider all the specials that you've ever run or just ones for now and in the future, which is generally what you'll do. So we'll leave it as that and press OK. So you can run a number of specials at any one time. There's one that looks like it's running currently at the moment, and what we'll run through is how to set up a new one. Now if you belong to a buying group and the buying group supplies us at HealthSoft with the special, you'll have the ability to import it. So as an example, we'll click on that. If it's the first time we're doing this, we'll be setting up a brand new brand, and we'll choose Pharmacy Brands, and we'll go OK. For the first time when you set this up, you'll need a promotional code, and then once that's in there, you'll find that that box has all the specials running for Pharmacy Brands listed that you can import. So we'll escape out of that and we'll set up a manual one by going Add Special. We'll give it a name just for the cycle, something like vitamins. The next step we'll do is consider the date range of the promotion. And this is very helpful because this will force these products to go on special at a particular date and then stop on a particular date automatically. Now we need to add some products into this special. You can do this a number of ways. You can choose it by a group, obviously, or a supplier. Usually you'll choose products singularly. In this case, though, we're going to do a special considering just Comvita products, and we get those products listed there. Now, it might not be their entire range, so let's assume that it's just those ones. We'll tick just those selections, and we'll bring in those products. Okay, now you'll notice at the moment the product details are there. It's got their retail price and it's listing a special price which equates to exactly the retail price at the moment. So it hasn't updated or changed anything. So our next step will be selecting one of the products, double clicking, and what you see here is the matrix that you can use to set up between 20 or 30 different types of special. So there's a whole heap of flexibility around this. For this particular product, what we're going to be interested in is a discounted price. So what we'll do is we will leave those options as they are, and we will just adjust a new special price for when this product is sold, update it, and press OK, and that's displayed there. We'll double click this product, same kind of thing, but it'll be on a special retail price buy, and we'll OK that. Now the other way that you can run a special, of course, is over a range. So we'll select those, we'll group them together because we're considering these products, and what we're going to say here is that when a number of these Comvita products are sold, they're going to sell for a discounted price. So what we're saying here, anytime any 3 Comvita products of this selection are sold, they will be on special with a 20% discount. And you can see in this yellow box, this gives us a summary of what we've set up. We can also choose to have a promotional message for the staff for when they sell the products, and let's just say it's for a limited time, and that will just pop up when again any of those products are called in point of sale. We'll OK that, and what we'll do next is we'll press OK to save that. You can see the summary there of what we've applied. Press OK. Now that saved the special, but it actually hasn't started it yet. When we press exit, that will then activate the sale and set it up ready to start on that date that we selected. Now it'll probably take a couple of times before you're confident with specials, so if you need some more help, head up to Lots Help, click into it and enter a search for specials. And there's heaps of very helpful information here. If we click on this, this will tell us how to edit a special and how to produce, say, a rebate report. And we'll show you how to, in a second, run a report to see how successful your promotion was. Now, it's all very well running specials, but obviously very important to know whether you have been better off and made more profit, or certainly got a boost out of sales, and whether it's been worthwhile. So Lots comes with a really helpful report, so you can report on the special that you have run. So from the main menu, we click into Reports, and we go to Sales Reports and up to Staff and Sales Report. Now there's a whole heap of criteria how to run this, but this one's really simple. From the top here, Specials, which lists every special that has been saved in the system. So you just simply select that. And what that will do is override the date range to how that was set up. You need to select the Sale Staff Item option down the bottom there, and then press OK. Now normally you'd get a whole heap of data in this, but because we haven't actually sold anything, there's nothing to report on. But this gives you a really good summary in terms of how your special's gone, and gives you the ability to use it as a rebate report as well if you need to claim back any funds from suppliers. As with most reports that you can run in Lots, click the export button if you need to save it and export it. Otherwise, you're all done.